Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. A 61-year-old man perished in this 4-bedroom wooden structure that was completely destroyed by fire on Old Harbor Road in Spanish Town. Residents say the man, who was reportedly in his room, could not be reached before he was severely burnt. They reported seeing the house engulfed in flames and rushed to save the occupants, including a 1-year-old baby. The unit from the Spanish Town Fire Department eventually responded and put out the blaze. The teenage girl is suspected to have committed suicide at her Jones Avenue home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Wednesday. According to the police, the 13-year-old was at home with her sibling about 9:30 p.m. when she was found hanging by an electrical cord. The police did not give the child's name. Eyes Across Jamaica understands that she was a student at the Edith Dalton James High School. As we move on, a young woman was stabbed to death at Budhole district not far from Kellett's Town in the parish of Clarendon. So far, she has only been identified as Samantha. The Crofts Hill police arrived at the scene after nightfall. We have a photo, but it is too graphic to post here. It showed the woman's bloodied body lying outdoor. She is barefooted, and it appears she was trying to escape from her attacker, who is said to be a man. Further reports are that the victim's child and boyfriend live in the community where she was slain. Police investigators are in Mount Ogle, St. Andrew, where a body was exhumed, believed to be that of Andrew O. Lord Andrews. Andrews has been missing since mid-February. The police were called after what appeared to be a shallow grave was discovered. Andrew O. Lord Andrews' grandson dug a hole and placed a sculpture of 2 bodies beside it. Residents of Mount Ogle and St. Andrew were baffled. Little did they know it was an omen for what was to come. The grandson was arrested. We now move to On the Brighter Side. In a bid to help Jamaican youngsters with their education during the pandemic, the greatest sprinter of all time, Usain Bolt, has shown his generosity once more. The Usain Bolt Foundation has made a donation of 150 laptops to schools in rural Jamaica.